In 2025, cars are getting faster, flashier, and sometimes flimsier. But not these. These four picks are tried, tested, and built like fortresses on wheels. They'll shrug off high mileage, keep repair bills low, and stay with you through thick and thin. If you're buying a car this year and want zero regrets, start here. Toyota Corolla, the unshakable commuter. The Corolla's 2.0 liters engine isn't flashy, but it's smooth, refined, and ridiculously low maintenance. Handling is composed, and fuel efficiency is among the best in its class, over 40 mpg on the highway. CVT transmission is now more durable than ever, giving you worry-free miles for years. It's the kind of car you'll forget about in the best way possible. Subtle design updates in 2025 add sharper lights and a sportier front fascia. Even base trims look clean and modern, while the SE and XSE offer more aggressive style. Small size makes it great for city parking, but it still has presence on the road. Functional, not flashy, just like the car itself. Toyota didn't cut corners here. The cabin is clean, comfortable, and tech-savvy. Standard wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, solid materials, and a refreshed digital cluster. Seats are supportive for long commutes, and road noise is impressively muted. It punches above its weight class in comfort and tech. You can drive this thing to 200,000 miles with nothing but oil changes and tire rotations. It's the no-stress car, built for those who just want something that works. Now, if you need something with more space and a bit more power without sacrificing trust, meet this next pick. Honda CR-V, the gold standard compact SUV. The CR-V blends power and fuel economy beautifully, thanks to its hybrid option and smooth 1.5 liters turbo. It's not sporty, but it's consistent, perfect for families, commuters, or road trippers. Honda's CVT is among the most refined in the industry, and long-term owners swear by its bulletproof nature. This SUV does it all, without drama. The 2025 CR-V looks cleaner and more upscale, with a wider grille and LED accents. Proportions are balanced, and its slightly rugged vibe suits suburban and rural settings alike. Even entry trims have curb appeal. Its functional design meets understated style. Cabin quality is stellar for the price: soft touch dash, modern tech layout, and loads of space. Rear seat room is class-leading, and cargo space rivals some mid-size SUVs. Infotainment is now more responsive, with bigger screens and standard driver assist features. Everything feels built to last, because it is. CR-Vs from the early 2000s are still running strong, and this latest model is even better. It's the reliable family hauler that stays with you through every chapter of life. Need something even tougher, like body-on-frame tough? The next one's a legend in durability. Ford F-150. The truck built to last. The F-150 offers a variety of engines, including a tough 3.5 liters EcoBoost V6 and a hybrid powertrain. Its towing and payload capabilities are among the best in class, and it's engineered to handle heavy workloads. Ford's tough frame and proven drivetrain make this a truck you can count on for decades. Its workhorse reliability wrapped in modern tech. Bold grille designs and muscular body lines give the F-150 a commanding presence. The 2025 refresh sharpens the look with modern LED lighting and aerodynamic tweaks. Multiple trims allow customization from basic to luxurious. It's the classic American truck, rugged and proud. Inside, the F-150 blends utility with comfort, offering spacious seating and smart tech. The latest Sync infotainment system is fast and intuitive, with large touchscreen options. Materials have improved over generations, balancing durability and style. It's a truck cabin built for long days and long hauls. The F-150 has a legendary reputation for lasting well beyond 300,000 miles. It's the dependable partner for work and play year after year. If you want luxury and reliability in an SUV without stepping into German territory, this next pick fits the bill perfectly. Lexus RX, luxury that lasts a lifetime. Powered by a V6 or hybrid setup, the RX offers buttery acceleration and an ultra-quiet cabin. It's not a performance SUV, but it's built for graceful driving and supreme comfort. Steering is smooth, and it glides over bumps like it's floating. Even after 10 years, most RXs still drive like they're fresh off the lot. The iconic spindle grille, sculpted lines, and LED lighting give it a commanding yet elegant look. The latest redesign sharpens the silhouette and adds more presence without going over the top. It's luxury that's timeless and tough, perfectly balanced between flashy and classy. You're surrounded by plush materials, intuitive tech, and the signature Lexus refinement. Seats are built for long-distance comfort, and cabin noise is practically non-existent. Every inch is built with quality that's meant to last decades. It's an interior you'll be proud to own for years. It's the luxury SUV you'll hand down to your kids, and it'll still work like new. Lexus didn't just build an SUV. They built a legend. Hyundai Tucson, the reliable tech-savvy SUV. The Tucson offers multiple powertrains, including a fuel-efficient hybrid and a peppy turbocharged engine. Its ride is smooth, handling confident, and it's engineered to be low maintenance and durable. Hyundai's warranty is one of the best in the business, giving peace of mind for years to come. You get reliability and tech packed in one stylish package. The Tucson's bold design features geometric patterns, LED headlights, and a sporty stance. It's modern, aggressive, and stands out in a crowded compact SUV segment. 2025 updates sharpen the grille and add fresh wheel designs. Inside, the Tucson surprises with spaciousness and premium-feeling materials. The digital instrument cluster and touchscreen are crisp and user-friendly. Comfortable seats and plenty of USB ports keep everyone happy on long trips. It's practical luxury without breaking the bank. The Tucson combines modern tech and proven reliability, backed by Hyundai's unbeatable warranty. It's a smart buy for families and tech lovers who want peace of mind. Next, a crossover that's as versatile as it is durable, and it's been winning hearts worldwide. Volkswagen Golf, the timeless compact. The Golf's turbocharged engines deliver lively acceleration and excellent fuel economy. It offers nimble handling and a comfortable ride, perfect for city and highway driving. VW's engineering has improved reliability over the years, with solid build quality. It's a compact hatchback that punches well above its weight. The Golf's design is clean and timeless, no flashy gimmicks, just solid style. Subtle updates in 2025 keep it fresh without losing its classic silhouette. Compact dimensions make it ideal for urban living. Volkswagen interiors are known for quality, and the Golf is no exception. Soft touch surfaces, intuitive controls, and comfortable seats make it a joy to drive. The infotainment system is modern and responsive with smartphone integration. Space is optimized to fit both passengers and cargo efficiently. The Golf is a global icon for a reason: reliable, fun, and built to last. It's a hatchback that never goes out of style. Finally, the last car on the list is a no-nonsense pickup that blends toughness with smart design. Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the dependable American pickup. The Silverado offers a variety of engines, including a fuel-efficient Turbo 4 and a powerful V8. It's built to tow, haul, and handle tough jobs with ease. Its robust frame and proven mechanicals make it a truck that lasts well beyond the warranty. Ideal for work, weekend adventures, or both. Bold front grille, rugged lines, and an aggressive stance give the Silverado unmistakable presence. The 2025 model updates bring sharper LED lighting and aerodynamic improvements. It looks tough because it is. The Silverado's cabin balances ruggedness with comfort, offering spacious seating and straightforward controls. Advanced infotainment with smartphone compatibility comes standard. Materials are durable, designed to withstand heavy use. Chevy's Silverado has a proven track record of reliability and longevity. It's the kind of truck you can count on for years of hard work and play. All 7 cars on this list score exceptionally high in reliability, owner satisfaction, and resale value. Toyota, Honda, and Lexus consistently top their segments, while Ford and Chevrolet trucks dominate durability tests. Hyundai and Volkswagen impress with their improved long-term quality and standout warranties. Choosing any of these vehicles means fewer repairs, lower maintenance costs, and peace of mind for years ahead. If you found this list helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more reliable car reviews and buying guides. Got a favorite from this list or a car you swear by? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the best cars to buy without worry. Your next dependable ride is just a video away. Thanks for watching. Remember, buying a car is an investment. Pick one that works hard for you, not against you. These 7 cars prove you don't have to sacrifice reliability for style, tech, or comfort. Drive safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video with more car insights you can trust.